Are you ready to clean?
What have you done though? Look at this.
Listen, I was meal prepping.
I'm not interested.
Oh. Gosh.
Then the third one is very important, microscope. Be a microscope so you...
Nooks and crannies.
Oh, nooks and crannies.
Nooks and crannies.
You're excellent.
I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful.
Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. I am doing a husband cleans collaboration with Jay from My Type of Organised and her husband James, and Kenyetta from K&A channel and her husband Dion, and Roxy and Ron from Hola Hola Adventures. So if you've not met my husband before, his name is Ryan. So we're making a collaboration, and all of our husbands are going to be cleaning different rooms in the house. So I'm going to jump straight into the video. Ryan is going to be speaking a little bit in real time, and then he'll be doing a voiceover. As you can see, he's very thorough when it comes to cleaning. I love it when he cleans because everything just looks sparkly when he's finished. So please leave a comment down below and let us know what you think of this. And please, once you've watched this video, I would really appreciate it if you could go and watch all of my friends. I will leave all of the channels down below and the videos for you to go and check out their videos as well. And if you haven't been over to their channels before, then please let them know that Simone sent you over. So I really hope that you enjoy this fun cleaning video, and that maybe Ryan can give you some cleaning motivation, because he definitely gives me some motivation. So here is the video. Are you ready to clean?
What have you done though? Look at this.
Listen, I was meal prepping before, so I've already told you about this, but this is a collaboration. Are you ready to clean? Well, what? I'd usually tidy it up, but I thought, well, actually, hey, do you want my attention? He wants my attention. Okay, I'll pick you up. Whoa. So, are you going to be a bit more enthusiastic?
How could you be enthusiastic? Looking like, I thought I was just going to wash dishes. And then
no, this is you cleaning like how you would normally clean. You know.
This is what happens when Simone's in the kitchen.
No, I usually clean up after myself, don't I?
Yeah.
Why are you putting the kids' penny on? It's too small for you.
It's messy. Everywhere's messy. Right.
Well, I wasn't gonna leave it in a clean state, and then you've got nothing to clean.
I have to clean up before I clean up. That's what I have to do. Clean up before I clean up.
What's Daddy doing, Micah? Well, at least I'm holding Mikey, because usually when I'm cleaning up, he's usually wanting to be picked up when I'm cleaning.
Why are you laughing?
What is that look for? Yeah, what is that look for?
Yeah, I'm not impressed with it. No.
Oh.
Yeah, you feel. I need out, don't I? Mommy's done something.
Mama.
Yeah, Mama done something really bad.
What have I done bad?
Made a mess.
Mama.
Daddy's gotta come and clean it up.
I was just cooking, wasn't I, Micah?
Good job, you were just cooking.
Do you like to whistle while you work?
No, I like music, but I'm not allowed to play music.
No, because of the copyright, so you can't.
I'm up the clouds now, I'm gonna stay high. Don't have to try, I can deny it right. Yeah, every time I breathe, I can feel how I let go.
So, 3 things when cleaning up: process, principles, my principles. Use the 3 methods of you hover, float around a bit, feel the environment. Then the second one is you satellite yourself. Like when you clean up, go out, look at it from a distance.
Well, so you do it like a rugby match, Ryan?
Yeah, why
If
not?
you didn't know, Ryan used to be a professional rugby player and I was a coach. You're analysing kitchen cleaning.
Yeah, but then
Gosh!
then the third one is very important: microscope. Be a microscope, so you focus on the smaller detail and then you satellite yourself.
Right.
Wow, and then you can see, I've missed so many spots. Because if you only here the whole time, you know, you could be busy, but then someone else, what do they normally do? They come in, oh, you've missed the spot, and then you've been there for 5 hours. So constantly move in and out the whole
Right, are you ready then to carry on? Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go! You want me to take a photo of that corner, right? It looks good. Hi, Daddy.
Next one, microscope. Microscope. Right? That's what I was talking about.
You're a perfectionist. You like to get in all the nooks and crannies, don't you, eh? Hey, Ryan.
Nuts and grannies, what are you talking
I
about?
didn't say nuts and grannies. Nooks and crannies.
Nooks and crannies.
Nooks and crannies.
Your accent. After 50 years, I still can't figure you out.
Nuts and grannies. Oh my gosh. Yeah, like nooks and crannies. Like, have you ever heard of that saying before? Maybe. My American friends haven't heard of nooks and crannies either. I don't know. Oh, you make me laugh. Okay, Micah, it's okay.
So, microscope really close. Find smaller detail. Over.
Nice, neat.
Go
Yeah.
for.
Yeah.
Have a look around. Set the light.
Do you usually go into this level of detail every time you clean, Ryan?
Everything you do, whether it's work or when you spend time with the children, go into smaller detail. Do it properly. Otherwise, don't do it. You're just wasting time. What's the point?
Come on now, come on, won't you come with me? Time to let it go and be free. Won't you come and breathe the open skies? Come now, come listen to the melody. Slow it down, put yourself at ease. Time to live it live. Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso. Come and swing to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. Paraíso, come and swing to the loco paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun. come and swan to the local paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun, paraíso. Come and swan to the local paraíso. Under the lazy evening sun.
Didn't know the love was war. Then I saw you coming at me. Somebody that I used to know, somehow you're my enemy. I don't wanna fight no more. Origami on the floor, breaking stuff that's so sentimental. Push and pull is all we do. Life is hollow without you. Ooh, without you, without you, without you, without you. Left hand feels so heavy, anchored to your memory. Ravage through my brain, oh, loose in the china shop. It goes non-stop. I don't wanna fight no more. Origami on the floor, breaking stuff that's so sentimental. Push and pull is all we do. Life is hollow without you. Ooh, without you, 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 without you.
Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way. Come meet me in the crowd. Everything is so loud. Your mind is running wild, but we'll do it my way. Love is a feeling
So Ryan's just seen to the baby. We really hope that you liked this video. As you can see, Ryan is quite thorough. I'd say he is anyway. When he cleans, he just goes to town and just wants to clean everything. So we really hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, we would really love it if you would subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Beautiful.